Okay, here we are here in week 7. Um, so we've got 3 more weeks left in the term with after this one. So make sure you are keeping up. If by any chance you have something that's not turned in, please go ahead and get it done, at least for partial credit. Also, please take a look at the final project. That's going to take a little bit longer than just a weekly assignment will. And it's actually fun. So do take a look at that so that you can plan your time. That is due during week 10, not during finals week. So please, if you want to even turn it in early, you certainly can do that. And if you have any questions, please let me know. That entails a little bit of searching online and producing both an Excel spreadsheet and a Word document. So just a heads up on that. So again, here we are in week 7. You have just a quiz and a project this week. The Module 2 quiz. I've noticed some of you are taking quizzes less amount of time, so I hope those are going well for you. But do remember you can take up to at least 3 times and just your highest score is recorded. And then you do have the project this week. On this, all I can say is to be really careful that everything you change gets saved. And also, please remember, you do not use the words bibliography and MLA formatting. Once you've got it changed to works cited, get bibliography out of there. I'm not sure why, but often people leave both. I don't know if you get a little nervous or if it looks like it makes sense, but bibliography goes away. So make sure you read that part really carefully. And make sure that your footnote is the size that it says for it to be. So other than that, just get it done. Again, if you'd like to turn any other work in early, go ahead. If I don't take a look at it in a timely way, just let me know. Sometimes I can't always see on the part of the screen that something turned in. So happy week 7. And if you need anything, please don't hesitate to ask.